In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Insightly CRM. Whether you need a single contact for your address book, a list for a spreadsheet, or want to send a profile to your email marketing tool, I'll walk you through each option clearly. First, open Insightly and sign in. From the main dashboard, head to the Contacts section. This is where all of your people records live. The layout may vary slightly depending on your permissions and screen size, but you should see your list of contacts along with checkboxes and action menus. For a single contact export, locate the person you want, then open the three-dot menu next to their name. Here, you'll see export choices. Export to vCard creates a standard contact card file you can add to apps like Outlook, Apple Contacts, or Google Contacts. Export to MailChimp sends that contact to your connected email marketing audience, which is handy if you just need to sync one person. Keep in mind you'll need the integration enabled for that option to work. If you want to export many contacts at once, start in the Contacts List view. Use filters or search to narrow down exactly who you want, then click the top checkbox to select all contacts currently shown. With your selection ready, open the three-dot menu at the top of the list and choose Export to CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a spreadsheet-friendly format that opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or most data tools. It's perfect for reporting, backups, or bulk updates in other systems. After you choose the export, Insightly will confirm that your data export was queued successfully. That means it's processing in the background and you'll receive the file by email shortly. Large exports may take a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your promotions or spam folders, and once it arrives, download it promptly so you can store it securely. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Exporting respects the list you're viewing, so set your filters before selecting all. Only export what you need, especially if your dataset contains private information. And if you don't see an export option, you may need additional permissions from your administrator. That's all there is to it. You now know how to export a single contact via vCard or MailChimp, and how to export multiple contacts to a CSV file from Insightly CRM. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next export.